Hello, I'm Daddy Papi, and I would like to show you how to remove Lexus is300 stock radio. First, you want to remove this cover right here. Let's get a flat head, gently apply it underneath. Then you want to remove two screws, one here and here. After that, you want to gently pull towards you to remove it. Next is two 10mm bolts. You want to remove that. You will have to use a 10mm ratchet and socket. Portion of the radio loose, then there's two more underneath. Here you just want to slide towards you to get access to the bolt. Same here, 10mm bolts. After you remove all the bolts and stuff, it just lifts right out. After that, you want to plug the power, speakers, and antenna from the radio. And after that, you're done.